friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking diced potatoes in the air fryer. So I'll be making it from scratch, from whole potatoes. So these potatoes are already washed, and you can peel them or not peel them, it's totally up to you. This time I'm going to peel the potatoes. And we also need seasonings. I'll use salt and pepper, and I'll also use olive oil, or you can use any kind of vegetable oil. So now let's peel the potatoes. So now after I peel the potatoes, I'm going to dice them in small cubes. All done. So now the potatoes are diced, so I'm going to season them. So just add some oil. And you can use as much or as little oil as you like. It's just for flavor. And sprinkle it with seasonings. I'll use salt and pepper. And you can use any other seasonings as you like. And now I will toss them to coat evenly with oil and seasonings. And now let's take out the air fryer basket. And I will put potatoes in the air fryer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 20 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake it so the potatoes cook evenly. And put the diced potatoes back in the air fryer and let the air fryer finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the diced potatoes. Look at that, they're so nicely brown, perfectly cooked. They look amazing. Now let me take them out of the air fryer. They're so crispy. Perfectly browned and crunchy. I'm so excited about trying them. Now let's try it. It tastes amazing. These potatoes are perfectly brown and crispy on the outside and soft and tender on the inside. You are going to love cooking diced potatoes in the air fryer. her free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks, for easy air fryer recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!